Hello and welcome to Between the Legs with Mike and Yvonne.
Today is Thursday, it's the 21st of October and they say it's going to be 29 degrees today.
Yeah, great. We're on the front again at Torrevieja, as you can see behind us. You see that beautiful sea, and we're sat here with the beautiful Bella Lola. She's been here for over 100 years. Why has she been here for 100 years?
Because she's been sat waiting for her husband Antonio, who sailed out to sea from Torrevieja aboard the fishing vessel La Gaviota, along with his 9 shipmates. They were never seen again.
Their boat was lost at sea and the widespread search ended on the 12th of May 1919.
That's very sad.
It's very sad, isn't it?
Isn't it?
She's still here waiting.
Yeah.
This statue behind us here,
Behind us here?
behind me here, there,
Behind you here? It's
Yeah.
behind you here.
is called the Hombre del Mar. That means man of the sea.
Clever.
And if you look behind, there's a cafe called Man of the Sea. And there's also an ice cream parlour called Man of the Sea
Yeah, there
behind
is.
us. And it's designed by a Catalan artist called Josep Ricard.
Well done.
I've been practising. It was placed here in the year 2000, and that's the year when they finished the pier, Torrevieja Pier, called Dique del Levante. So they moved it. They moved it just a few yards.
What, the pier?
No, the statue.
Oh. But originally, the statue was built in May 1975. Do you know what it represents?
What?
It represents the connection between the people of Torrevieja and the sea.
Oh, how nice.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's nice, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it? It's nice here, isn't it?
It's nice out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, okay then. Think?
It's good, isn't it? Panpipe man.
You like Panpipe Man, don't you?
Yeah.
It's nice and relaxing to come and watch the Panpipe Man. Plays on Torrevieja front just about every day, doesn't he? Comes down, he comes at about 2 o'clock.
It's great.
He gets his pipes out and starts blowing them. On March the 18th, 2012, this statue by artist Carmen Fraile was placed here.
It's a representation of the women of Torrevieja whose loved ones went off to sea to catch fish. Would you go out to catch fish for your loved one?
Yes, of course, dear, but I haven't got a boat. So I'd rather go to Chippy and get fish chips and mushy peas.
All right, come on then.
Come on. So where are we then?
We're at skate park.
Oh, I love the skate park. I love it this time of day. See all the boats there, the sun's just going down.
Yeah.
What time is it? It's
5 o'clock.
Gets dark about 6:30, 7 o'clock now, so it's a really nice time of day, but it's still warm. Still warm. It's been up to 29 degrees today, as we've told you before. Getting back to the statues, these 5 musicians, made of bronze, represent a celebration of 75 years of musical union in Torrevieja. It was opened on the 24th of November 2002 by the then mayor, Mr. Pedro Hernandez Mateo.
And if you listen very carefully, you might be able to hear them playing a tune.
Oh yeah, I've got
Can you hear it? What is it? Can you hear them?
The sound of silence. Well, after our Torrevieja tour of statues, I think it's time for us to wind down and have a nice glass of water.
And I might even make you some tea,
Oh, great.
seeing as you didn't buy me them fish and chips from Chippy.
On that note, I think it's time to wrap the fish and chips up.
Really?
No, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. It's a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1.
Ding!
Adios.
Yeah.